Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of ABA with Vic. Now for this week, we're going to learn how to board an airplane. But before we board an airplane, we have to make sure that we arrive to the airport. Once we arrive to the airport, we have to go and check in. Check into your airline and check in your baggage. Here, they will check your bags and make sure you are good to go and board the plane. Once you're done, find out the terminal in which your airplane is located on. If you have any questions, you can ask an airport staff and they will be happy to direct you. Once you go through the security process, be sure to pay close attention to the directions of the airport staff who is directing you to board your airplane. Once you get on board the airplane, follow the simple instructions that the airport staff is providing you. Pay close attention, and once again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask any of the airplane staff. Make sure to locate the exit signs, buckle up, find your correct seat so you can have a nice and comfortable airplane ride. During your airplane ride, you might experience some of the following: sudden movement of the airplane, rapid motion of the plane, a nice scenery, so just sit back and relax. If you're sitting next to a window, you can appreciate the view when taking off and also landing. Here are some examples of how the plane ride can look like at night. Here's another example of how an airplane can look like if you take a trip during the day. Remember, be sure to follow all safety instructions, follow the instructions of the airplane staff, and once again, if you have any questions, you can ask the nearest staff. When taking a trip, be sure to relax, enjoy the ride, and enjoy the scenery. Once your airplane lands, congratulations, you have arrived to your destination. Now, enjoy your time.